Hey guys, my name is Jared Vanderwerf here at MarineMax Dallas, and today I want to show you guys our fresh 2015 Super Air Nautique 230. Alright, so moving to the back of the boat here, you guys have a NSS surf system. That way you can surf either side of this boat. You've also got your ladder coming out from under your platform. That's going to make it super easy to get in and out of the boat if you guys are swimming and hanging out. You've also got your surf pipe. That way it keeps all the exhaust fumes away from anybody surfing. Alright, so at the bow of the Nautique, you're going to have room for 4 people up here. You're going to have a USB located on this side. You've got storage under both of your seats. As well, your zero off puck is located here, so this is a GPS cruise control boat. That way you know you're always getting a constant speed for your riders. Alright, so at the rear of the boat, I want to point out this huge transom walk-through. One nice thing about it is this seat right here is actually removable. So you just pick it up. If you're going to have a lot of people coming in and out of the boat, if you're boarding, just pick it up. It'll save your vinyl for years to come. If you see in the sides here, you've got recessed cup holders. It's got sea decking all along. If you want to throw your phone next to it, it won't go anywhere. One big thing I like on this boat, you've got 4 tower cans here. Like I said, everything's Polk audio. You're going to be able to hear this thing whether you're surfing or wakeboarding. Alright, that's going to wrap it up for the Nautique 230. Again, my name is Jared Vanderwerf. If you guys have any questions about this boat or anything else in our inventory, please give me a call.